Worried about cloud migration risks? Many companies face overwhelming uncertainty when moving critical data to the cloud. We can help. Concerns about security breaches, compliance challenges, and unexpected downtime? We can help. You don't have to navigate this alone. We offer clear, proven strategies to transform your goals into reality. We start by assessing your business goals and selecting the ideal cloud model and cost structure, one that aligns with your vision. Our secure roadmap, built on years of experience, minimizes disruptions, hidden costs, and unexpected results. Experience enhanced data security, scalability, and innovation designed to empower your company. With expert guidance every step of the way, you can safely unlock the potential of the cloud for your organization. Future-proof your business's data and drive innovation in today's digital landscape. Secure success with an expert partner like us.